Born for Entrepreneurs presents IELTS reading tips, true, false, not given. How do you attack this question type? First, learn the rule. If the statement clearly appears in the text, it is true. If the text clearly says the opposite of the statement, it is false. If you didn't find the statement to be either true or false, it is not given. For example, smoking is dangerous and can lead to cancer. True, false, not given. 1. If the text clearly says that smoking is dangerous and leads to cancer, then the answer is true. 2. If the text says that no research showed evidence that smoking is dangerous and leads to cancer, then the answer is false. 3. If the text says the research included smokers of both genders of ages 30 to 45 inches and nothing else about smoking, your answer is not given. Subscribe our channel to get more videos. If you like this presentation video, click on like button. Thank you.